Hola, hola, hola. Eh, Buenos días, Juan. Mucho gusto. Placer saludarlo, hombre. Uy,
Buenos días, mister.
buenos días, buenos días. Vamos a comenzar. Voy a borrar eso que está en la pizarra. Ujú, ujú, ujú. Okay, guys, welcome everyone. I hope you're doing well. Well, actually, we're going to continue learning the surface area of the 3D figures, right? We learn how to calculate the surface area of the frames and cylinders. Today, we're going to learn how to calculate the surface area, but this time will be the, the, the pyramids and cones, o sea, conos y pirámides. Okay, let me copy the label. Surface area of pyramids and cones. All right. Well, as I told you already, the hardest part in this situation, my dear students, is draw the picture of this stuff. But this is part of the things that we must do in that case. So let me see what I have to do. Ujú. Ah, pucha, salió bien. Ujú. Ah, tarara, 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 tarara. Aquí va la cosa. Es que vi, estoy progresando, mire, ya la primerita me salió. Aleluya. Siempre me ha costado dibujar esto, pero hoy sí a la primerita. Ya, sí me quedó bien bonita la pirámide. Tururú, tururú. Ujujujujú. Lararara. Mhm. And L represents the slant height. Mhm. And we got the second picture. Mm, si lo pongo acá, sí, aquí tendría que ser. Mhm. Mhm. Bueno, que eso no es necesario. Eso no es necesario, es cada cosa. Y estoy diciendo el right. Okay. As soon as you can see, bueno, parece que este día vengo inspirado porque sí me salieron bien bonitos los dos dibujos. Pero bueno, y ese sí parece cono. All right. In this situation, guys, we're going to learn how to calculate the surface area of pyramids and cones. Obviously, as soon as you can see in the pictures, right, in the first one, obviously we have a regular pyramid, and the second one, that's supposed to be the surface area of the right cone. Almost the behavior in these kind of pictures will be almost the same thing. For example, in the pyramid, beta represents the area of the base, depending what kind of base we have in the pyramid. Okay, that's supposed to be the formula they want to apply. For example, if we have a square base, we're going to apply the area of the square. If we have a triangular, okay, we're going to apply the area of the triangle. If we have a regular polygon, we must to apply the area of the regular polygon. And of course, the perimeter obeys depending what kind of base we have. And the letter L represents the slant height. Note the height, because as soon as you can see in the picture, we have a difference between the red line and the blue line. The red line represents the body of slant line or the lateral height. In how we can calculate the lateral height. As soon as you can see, as soon as you can see, this lateral height will be just kind of hypotenuse, okay? And the height obviously will be the height of the triangle. And the base of the triangle will be the half value of the measures of the measures of the legs of the base. And so, I think for better words. So just in case you have to looking for or trying to looking for calculate the value for the slant height, will be obviously will be the slant height will be equal to the square root of what? Height of the second power plus the size divided by 2 of the second power. This is not number 5. This is the letter S. The letter S is representing the measure their size for every size of the second power. Over 2 because that will be the half value. This is by one hand. By the other hand, in the right cone, the area of the base, there's no inconvenience because in the right cone could be in this position or in opposite, right? The base will be a circle. That's why, and instead to use circular perimeter, we're going to use the circumference. And the circumference, you know, is P, that's supposed to be 2 pi radius, but because the formula is 1/2 times pi, times the perimeter, 1/2 times 2 will be only pi RL. And the slant height, in this case, will be the measure of the lateral sides of this cone. I mean, over here, this line located over here, this is representing the slant height. And obviously the distance between the center of the vertices of this cone will be the height, and the distance between the center or any string of the circle, that's supposed to be the radius, okay? And as soon as you can see, if you ask me, okay, Mr. Per, in this case, how we can calculate the slant height? We got once again, we have a right triangle, right? And the slant height, calculating the slant height using a right cone, in this case will be the square root of what? The radius of the second power plus the height of the second power. The height of the cone of the second power. This is how we can calculate the slant height of the right cone, and this is how we calculate the slant height of the pyramid. Okay, and this is the formula, at least for a while, for the surface area of pyramids and cones. I don't know if you have doubts or questions on this part, or everything is clear. Hmm?
Claro, mister.
Claro, okie dokie then. So let's going to solve them a few problems. Okie dokie. Example number one. Aquí está. In the example number one says, a regular pyramid, has a height of 15 centimeters. Has a height of 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. And a base edge length of, base length of 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters. Period. Find the area of each lateral face of the pyramid. Find what I said. Find the area of each lateral face of the pyramid. Period. Second question. What is the surface area of pyramid? Okay. In this situation, as soon as you read the problem, we're supposed to have a regular pyramid has a height of 15 centimeters and a base length of 16 centimeters. What does that mean? That means that pyramid has a square base, because all of this age of the size, that will be 16 centimeters. We're supposed to find out the lateral area and at the same time the surface area. If you wish, in this case, the first thing that we must to do is trying to draw up a picture of the pyramid. All right, let's see what we got. We have this one. But this one, we have this one over here. We got the interception point over here. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, this is the pyramid. According to the problem says all of these ages are congruent, according to the problem. And it has a measure of 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters. And at the same time, the problem says this pyramid has a height, no slant height. The problem says it has a height over here. This red line has a height of 15 centimeters. Actually, the problem asking for what will be the lateral area. We don't know exactly what will be the value of this slant height. We don't know what it is. So what we're going to do, we have, this is the word problem, and we draw already what will be the picture of this problem. So the first thing that we must do before to answer the question on the lateral face of the area in the surface area, we have to looking for the value from L. Because if you draw, we're taking this picture over here, right? We're going to have a right triangle. That's what I'm trying to, this is what I'm talking about. This is a right triangle. When the height will be 15 centimeters, and the base will be the half value of 16. What is the half value of 16? Will be 8 centimeters. And we have to looking for what will be the slant height. This is what I'm trying to tell you. We are drawing this right triangle in the half value of 16, that will be 8 units. For that reason, L will be equal to square root of 15 centimeters second power plus 8 centimeters second power. Okay, so this slant height will be 15 second power plus 8 second power. The answer will be 17 centimeters. Okay, we know what is the slant height. Now we are fully prepared to answer those questions. First of all, find the area of each lateral face or lateral area. If you really want to know what is the formula from the lateral area, simple, that will be the second part of this formula. I mean, 1/2 perimeter times the slant height. Only the second part of this formula will be the lateral area. So the lateral area, or LA, lateral area, will be given by 1/2 the perimeter. Perimeter of what? How we can calculate the perimeter in this stuff? Any idea? The perimeter of what? The perimeter of the base. And what will be the value from the perimeter of the base? A ver. A ver, muchachos. ¿Alguien que me ayude?
Length times width
Length times width. Well,
por
actually,
2.
exacto. Entonces, si eso sería, entonces, ¿cuánto sería todo? Porque recuerde que aquí nos está diciendo que cada lado mide 16, ¿no? Estamos hablando de un perímetro completo. Entonces,
64.
correcto. Entonces eso sería 64, porque si estamos hablando 16 por, vamos a decir 64, correcto. 64 centimeters And the slant height will be 17 centimeters. So what will be the value of this lateral area? ¿Alguien que me ayude? Oh, sorry. Lateral area, this is not B, it's B. Mire mal, disculpe, it's B. The base times length. Sorry, this is the lateral area. My mistake, sorry. 1/2 base times the slant height. And the base is 16. Perdonen. Ya las bujías ya me están fallando. Because it's the area of the base times the slant height. And what will be the answer? 1/2, 16 times 17 will be 136. 136 square centimeters. This is the lateral area. 1/2 base times the slant height. Now, the surface area is another story, because the surface area, the formula is beta plus 1/2 perimeter times slant height. Remember, area of the base, that will be the base square. That's supposed to have 16 centimeters of the second power plus 1/2, as you said, 4 times 16, that will be 64 centimeters, and the slant height will be 17 centimeters. For that reason, the surface area of this pyramid will be given by 16 second power plus parentheses 1/2 times 64 times 17. That will be equal 800. 800 what? Is square centimeters. Questions?
Mister,
Mister,
Yep. Le escucho. Dígame. Hola. ¿Sí?
Mister,
Ujú.
¿dónde sacó la fórmula de 1/2 BL?
Ese le estoy dando. Lateral area is 1/2 B times L. Se la estoy dando. O sea que
Ok.
aparte de esta es esta. Lateral area, 1/2 B times L. O sea, para que lo anoten.
Mister,
Ujú.
¿por qué cuando hizo el right triangle, por qué dividió 16 entre 2?
Porque se toma la mitad de la base, de lo que mide la base. Según la formulita que le di yo ahí, ve usted la L en la que está en esta parte. H al cuadrado más S sobre 2, donde S viene siendo la medida de la base. Entonces, como la medida de la base es 16, 16 dividido entre 2, ¿cuánto me da? Me da 8. O sea que es como que usted tomara nada más la mitad de este 16. Claro que no es que se mira que bruto que está en escala, pero para encontrar el slant height de una pirámide, siempre la base se divide entre 2. A no ser que el problema ya lo dé. ¿Capichi?
Sí, gracias, Mister.
Okay. Now we're going to apply the second problem. Vamos a tomarle fotico, antes de borrar eso. Ahí les va. Ahora sí, con mucho pesar, tengo que borrar la figurita del cono. Second question, second problem. Find the surface area of the regular. Find the surface area of the regular hexagonal pyramid. Estos sí están feos. Vamos a ver, 1, 2, ok. Vamos a ver cómo me sale. Vamos a ver. Ok. Ajá. Ok. Ok, vamos bien. Ajá. ¿Qué va así? Ah, no. Ya, ya entendí. A ver la cosa. Ay, que va a 3 lados. Aquí va 3. Y aquí que vienen 2 lados. Aquí, aquí. Ajá. Va la intercepción acá. Ajá. Así es la cosa. Ahí se va. Por ahí se va. Y se supone que esto va aquí enmarcadito. Por ahí va. Ahí va la cosa. El detalle es que esa es una pirámide de forma hexagonal. And according from the problem, we got 10 feet over here. 10 feet over here. We have a center. This is 5 square root 3 feet. Ahí va. 5 square root 3 feet. And we got the slant height. And this is going to be 14 feet. Ahí va. ¿Tenemos tiempo? No. Bueno, lo vamos a dejar hasta aquí. El día de mañana, si Dios lo permite, vamos a encontrar el área superficial de esa pirámide. Lo único que tienen que hacer como primer punto, obviamente, es calcular el área de la base, porque este es un hexágono. Y además, el 5 raíz de 3 feet, ese viene siendo el apotema. El apotema. Entonces, recordemos que el área de la base es un medio perímetro por apotema. Y el perímetro también lo podemos calcular. Y después de eso, utiliza la fórmula y el 14 viene siendo el slant height. ¿Ok? Bueno, mis estimados aprendices, gracias por tu fina atención. Dios los bendiga, los guarde, los cuide. Entonces los estoy viendo a la hora de physics. Cuídense mucho. Intenten hacerlo y mañana comparamos resultados. ¿Ok? Bye bye. So long. Take care. of yourself.
Mister,
Dígame.
ahí dice 5 por la raíz de 3.
¿Correcto? 5 raíz de 3 feet. Ese es el apotema. Y que de verdad que el dibujo está hecho, está hecho una patada, porque se supone que es que todo debería de parecerse igual, no me quedó muy bueno. Pero el detalle es que la medida de cada lado del hexágono son de 10 pies y los 14 pies que se miran ahí representa slant height, o sea, la altura lateral.
Ok,
Dele, pues. Bye. Cuídense.
adiós.
Bye, bye.